Alright, customer's complaint is the center mullion will not close and the door will hit on this mullion when they open it. So you can see here it gets stuck about halfway. So I'm going to remove the 1/4" screw here to remove the mullion. Alright, next we're going to slide this up in order to remove it. Just like so. To unplug it. Going to reinstall the new mullion just by plugging it in. And then you want to position the tabs so they are out. Lock the wire in. And you're going to line these up and slide it straight down. And then you're just going to slide it down to lock it. And then you're going to reinstall the 1/4" screw. You'll see it test now. See, it flicks now both ways. And just make sure your door will align.